When you see a drop-down arrow, that's a display lookup window. When you see a bent arrow, that means you can add a record on the fly. So if I wanted to add my client, maybe I've never worked for them, I can click on the bent arrow, I can add it, save it, and it's going to bring me right back into the screen. So it's a nice, smooth workflow within 100 Contractor with the lookup and the add records. The second tab is just key contacts on the job here in this grid. The grid is what looks like an Excel worksheet. And then you can track other information on the job, maybe if you want to report on some of these, who estimated the job, who sold the job, who's the project manager on the job, things like that. When you're in a grid, I'm going to come down here to the grid, you can right-click and show and hide columns. So let's say in this field, maybe you didn't care about the job title. I'm going to uncheck the job title. Let's say OK. And I'm going to save this view. So what the system does is it knows that when Kathy comes into this screen, she only wants to see these 3 columns. So it's a nice way, as I go through the program, if you were looking at any grid I'm on and you're seeing columns that might not apply to you in your business, just know that you can edit that view, make those columns be hidden, and do that once, save it, and then you won't have to look at them again. So it's a nice way to keep your view pertinent to only what you want to see.